All right, Mama, if you were any emotion, what emotion would you be?
Emotion from hopeful.
Hopeful?
Hopeful.
Sure, and in that case, I'm Delulu.
Hopeful.
More importantly,
Cheerful.
there's only one reason you would be asking emotions.
Well, one, because we all know that we are going to be opening the Inside Out 2 Collection Peek, and if I'm any emotion, it's anxiety.
Yes, which then means your mother must be joy, and
my therapist loves me, and she may watch this video.
unfortunately, I think I know who I am in the family.
You're disgust.
You know, she's not disgusted. She has high expectations on people, and y'all let her down.
But I've also heard...
Sassy.
Yes, but I've also seen you make the ugh face before.
Yeah.
Have you seen Society? You all deserve that face. More importantly, let's get this open.
Yes, open up the Doorables. We're going to get them out. There's 9 in here. No secret figures, no exclusive ones, no bonus figures, which is okay because we never get the bonus.
No Bing Bong?
I wish there was Bing Bong, but Bing Bong was one of the exclusive in Series 9. No, Series 8.
Did we get him?
No, but I want him.
I would
We
like.
have the worst luck.
I would like to be Bing Bong if he's not part of this.
Yes,
collection.
so... Oh, thank you. Well, let's get this open and get them out. All right, so here's all the characters we can get. We've got 9 doors here, so there's no surprises.
We never get the surprise anyway.
So it's better that we don't have any. So
Gregory, pick a door.
let's get them all out.
Just bottom one.
Get them all out, Mom. Just get them all out.
Okay.
Okay. All right, we have 9 Doorables ready to go. What do we do with them?
I have 5.
I have 4.
Which means
We have eat.
Ooh, ooh. They went flying. This one's closest.
All right.
Number.
All right, who has which one? Who do you
I have
have?
sadness.
I think I have joy.
Are you guys right?
I do have sadness.
And I have joy.
Very nice.
He's so cute, and so is Joy. I love that Joy's holding the, what is it from the first movie? The memory?
The orbs.
The orbs.
The
yes.
memory orbs, yes. The core memory. It's a core memory orb.
And sadness looks very,
Sadnessy. I love sadness, and sadness dancing in Disney brought me joy.
All right, next!
Next one. Who do you have?
Ennui.
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 On.
On.
We.
We. Ennui.
There you go.
Boom.
And I believe I have anger.
Oh, yeah.
That's
I
ennui.
have boredom.
Yes, and who do you have?
This is anger.
I think you were correct.
Yes.
Very nice job.
Love the hair.
He's
on fire.
This emotion
This emotion is on fire.
All right.
All right, guess in the next ones. Who do you have, Mom?
I believe this is fear.
And
I
who's
think
yours?
I have embarrassment.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Here's fear.
And here's embarrassment. It's really easy with the side.
Embarrassment is so cute.
Embarrassment is one of the new ones that I'm super excited about.
I
which
loved embarrassment in the
I
movie.
would just like to point something out. As an HR professional, Inside Out 2 does a very, very nice job of handling quote-unquote the difficult conversations and what I would call magnifying emotions that you may not know how to deal with. Kindly watch this video. I recommend it for everyone. I actually made my HR team watch it.
It's a great movie, and I literally saw anxiety, and I go, Mom, Dad, that's my brain.
Oh, I know who I have.
I know I have.
Okay.
Anxiety.
I have envy.
Is this Rachel? It sure is. But
Yay!
And I have envy with her curly hair. She looks so innocent right here, but I have a feeling she's not innocent.
I love anxiety's
And
face.
anxiety is well.
So that means we know that this one is for you.
Let's see. Who do you think it is?
It has to be discussed, because that's the only one we
her
don't
name is
have.
Susan. And she is very Susan. Because let me tell you, dealing with society right now, this is my expression all the time.
All right. So let's show everybody all 9 of the Inside Out Doorables. Look at how stinking cute all of the emotions are.
These
Any-
have been so hard to find.
Yes, I'm happy that I found them.
These are available on Target, Amazon, and Walmart, I
Yes.
believe.
Yes, Walmart had them a few weeks ago. At
Yes,
the local
Amazon has them.
Who is your favorite?
store. I think as the character looks, I kind of like Anxiety because
Oh, good. She likes
I
me.
do like her.
I
She's not-
love for looks and bears.
I love Embarrassment too. He's so
Yeah.
cute.
This is every
But
preteen.
if we're talking about who is us, do you agree with our assumptions? Comment below if you think that we're not who we say we are.
All right. Have a good rest of your day, everyone. Bye.
Bye.